quite fun. It's updating some extensions in the extensibility toolbox toolkit for VS 2022. It's been a little bit though. It's been a hot second. Lachlan, good to see you. Aiden, good to see you as well. Good morning over there. Yeah, I taking a break from the what's this? This is moderation check. This message moderation. I don't know what that is. I took a little break. I've been taking breaks from the streaming. I've been focusing a lot on my newsletter, my YouTube, a little bit more. Only because Fridays have been a little bit tricky with some holidays, sometimes also some other events like the Let's Learn event. We had Build last month as well. Just a lot of things have been going on. So Fridays just had not been working for me, and I like to deliver a consistent live stream, if you will, and that hasn't really had an opportunity to happen. So definitely apologize for that. I don't know if I'll be back every single week. We've got the Peloton app pretty far. I don't know if I'm going to continue it or do something else. Let me know what you think. I think I want to try to probably do more .NET MAUI stuff going forward. Kind of see how that goes as we explore a little bit more. It's kind of almost at the point there. Lachlan has no. Okay, so here's the thing. All right, so here's the thing. Kim has been working on, and apparently, I don't know what is this doing. All right, cool. Apparently, I don't know if you have Lachlan also been working on it too, but what was I browsing on? Oh, I was just on the App Store and I typed in Xamarin. I saw this app come up, the Weekly Xamarin newsletter. And I was in it and I was like, oh, this is cool, blah, blah, blah. And I noticed that pretty much this app, which is kind of cool, like pulls all the additions down and enables you to kind of scroll through. It's a nice shell application. Didn't have light or dark theme stuff. So like when I go in and I turn on dark mode in here, I noticed that like nothing worked, right? So that was kind of bad in general. So there's no theming. And then I went on to GitHub, which is funny. I went on to GitHub and I went into issues and I was going to file an issue. And then I saw that there was this light and dark theme issue down here. And then I realized as I went through the code that 2 days ago, actually, there were themes added, but I don't think it's good enough. I don't think it's up to the James standard for light and dark theme because unless I'm wrong, I didn't see any way to manually set it for one or the other or do system default. If I go into the views here and I look at the about page, I didn't see themes at all. And no, I didn't see it. I didn't see any theming at all. I could be wrong. But if you were to watch my excellent YouTube video, look at that product tie-in, this app themes video, which I put together. Oh, that one's not good. That one adds a bunch of stuff at the end. There we go. You'll see that I did all this. Unless you did this. Unless you just did it. I don't see it though. But I did see this. I'm definitely always wrong, Seth. That is the incorrect part there. So I saw this. I saw there was a light theme. So we're gonna add better. That's what I should. We're gonna add better theming together. All right. So I think it's close. So the problem is the store in the App Store version is not updated, but we're gonna pull down the code. We're gonna fork it together. We're gonna create branches, and we're gonna copy and paste a whole bunch of code to make it look absolutely awesome. So there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna make it look even better, Lachlan. That is correct. And as Seth says, James is always wrong. Yeah, there you go. See, I've been off Twitch for a while. I've basically just been focusing on .NET Live TV everything that the team has been doing, looking at the streams, doing much stuff. Yeah, I'm manager now. Never wrong. No, definitely always wrong. Definitely always wrong. I think it's what you're going for. Seth. It's okay. It's like I'll just auto-correct you. So let's get into it. Now, this would be kind of fun because I didn't know this app existed. It looks like it went through a lot of iterations together, back and forth, and a bunch of things. So we're going to create a fork here. I'm going to put it into my repo, or into my thing. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and create a branch. So when you create a fork, this is a new hot button. Oh, what did I just do? Where's my zoom in? Okay. Wait a second. There we go. Whew. Where am I zooming at? This is a new hot button right here. Fetch upstream. Ooh, that's good. You never want to commit in a fork's main or master, the mainline branch, because it's going to make fetching from the upstream extremely difficult. So you never want to do that. What you always want to do is you want to go in and say, better themes by James. You really want to make your, because Kim and Lachlan did the minimal viable implementation. So what you really want is you really want to name your branches like real aggressive, like real aggressively verbose into exactly what it is and why you're creating this branch. So that's what we're going to create there. We're going to create that branch. Boom. So now I got a branch and we're kind of good to go. And I could have done that in Visual Studio too, but I didn't. I did it right here in GitHub. Opening code spaces. Okay, contribute, what is that? This branch is not, ooh. Oh, so once I start doing stuff, then I can, oh, that's new. I haven't seen that before. Okay, cool. So then what we're going to do is we're going to code, copy, open up Visual Studio. Man, I haven't hung out with Seth in a long time. Hope you're doing well, Seth. I miss you. Miss you, buddy. Miss you. Miss you. You're so cute. We're gonna put that there, and we don't want this in my C drive. We want that in my D drive, I think. That's on the external SSD. Yeah, GitHub. All right, cool. Yep. Oh gosh, what's happening? Okay. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Okay, cool. So we're gonna clone that. Cool. I'm gonna sip my Spindrift. All right, cool. So let's open this puppy up. Mobile. All right, here we go. So again, then when you clone it inside of Visual Studio, you're definitely going to need to switch branches. So there's a lot of things over here. Look at this. Look at all these files. Okay, cool. So you're going to go down here. Oh, you can't see it. All right, you're going to go to Git Changes. You're going to undo that. And then, oh, come on, resource.designer. Yes. And then you're going to come in here and you're going to say remotes, better themes by James.com /.net/whoa. All right, cool. So let's just see if we can, if we get this right in. Yeah. So let's see here. So they did some cool stuff. They have shell in here. They have this app shell, as well. And it looks like they did do some, oh, they didn't do everything correct. So that's good. We're going to fix up their issues. Oh, no, they did do that. Right. Because that's going to be white. Oh, actually, they have a navigation light, navigation dark. Okay, cool. That works. They did some good things here. Okay. So they added the colors in it. Why is this mad at me? Interesting. So they have all the colors. So this is how I do it. Red light, red dark, red light. Now I would have used my specific colors from Apple, but I'll let them continue. Coffee. I like that there's a color called coffee. There should always be one called coffee. Let's go ahead and restore these nougats. Oop, that's what's going on there. So what I like that they did all the hard work for us actually, which is kind of cool. So if you look here, there's like an overlay background, which has an app theme, background light, background dark. This is beautiful. This is just butter. This is great. Look at this. They have a apply to derived types label. So this is a cool style right here, actually. I'm going to format their XAML for them. So check this out. They did this. This is really neat, actually. So this style says apply specifically this one color to every single label. So instead of having to keep basing it off of different types, that's what I usually do. They do text light, text dark. That's good. That is good. Oh, look at this page. Ooh. Ooh. That's fascinating. That's good. That's good. I like it. There's a lot of unused. You got to have a lot of unused colors. That's the only way to live. Okay, cool. So, okay. See, even here, see, I wouldn't have even done this. I would have done an app theme binding. And then here, what I would have done is I still would have done light equals, and then a static resource here. Okay. And I'll tell you why is if you go into the Apple Docs, dark mode, colors, I don't know. One of these has it. Nope. Color and contrast? Nope. There's a dock somewhere. Maybe this one. Whoa. That's got some activity. Kurd Prague, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. There's a list of colors somewhere, and even the blue has a little bit different blue. This is not the documentation I'm looking for. Maybe this one. There's definitely there's like this great doc that I can't find that Frank and I talked about, and it had all these great colors that you could, and I put them all in a list. So actually, if you go to like my GitHub, the My Coffee app, I put them inside of this app XAML here. Check this out. See, all system blue, system gray, and they're all just a little bit different. And Apple did all the hard work of figuring out what teal or red or purple should be when it's either in light mode or dark mode for you automatically. There's like a tint. But I'm going to assume that Lachlan and Kim did all the user research and spent a bunch of money on that. So that's my assumption. But see, I'm going to also do this. I'm going to put in, make sure it has a dark in here, and then do a static. I'm just going to fix their code, right? And then sky blue, dark. I'm a big fan of the app theme binding there. All right, so here's what we want to do. Let's look at this code. I haven't even touched it at all. We got resource, we got icons, we got open sans. We don't have any font icons. What is going on? Shenanigans. Okay, let's go ahead and we're gonna need some icons in here. So we're gonna go into My Coffee. There it is. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna go into resources, fonts. We're gonna just add all the fonts. Boom. And then we're gonna make sure that all of those are properties. Embedded resource. Because what we're gonna do, do I have it on this phone? I don't. This phone I don't have anything on. We're gonna make it, what we're gonna do, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make our page look like this. This right here, system light dark. That's what's gonna happen here. Okay, see that? That's what we're gonna make happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be awesome. And yeah. Okay, so we got the fonts. We got the fonts. Let's grab our assembly info. Oh, look at this. I can just copy. Look at that. Can I copy this? I can't. Oh, I can't. Nice. Assembly info. Ooh. Okay. Let's make sure that we don't. See. This is weird. I wouldn't put it there. So let's just go ahead and fix their code. I don't know what's up with my IntelliSense. My IntelliSense going all wacky. I do have all the .NET 6 stuff installed. Let's just put this in here. See, assembly exports in the assembly thing. Okay, cool, perfect. All right, cool. So we got our font awesomes. Done. Crushed it. All right, now, let's see if this thing builds. Does it build? Let's rebuild it here. I feel like... Oh, that's weird. Why does this have an assembly of mono Android? What is... That doesn't seem correct. Well, what is this? What is going on here? What is that? That's not correct. That's incorrect. That shouldn't be there. You also don't need any of this. Look at this. Garbage. Delete all this. Garbage. Okay. So let me just go into this project and just start changing everything. Yeah, just start changing stuff. Perfect. Okay, cool. These are all in there. And then you also see now you don't need this once it's embedded resource. Yeah, let me just clean this up for you here. Oh, you know what? Also, here's the funny thing: is you can also, if you go into your time Panini, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate that. If you were to open this in code, there's a nope. Okay, it does it. So you're good. Hey. All right, so we got that. Did it build? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did it do it? Oh my gosh, there it goes. All right, cool. I like how I was working on a purple screen that says I am a button. What is James up to? I am a button. Okay, cool. So I've never seen it on Android at all, and that's okay. So let's see if it works. And we have a Windows app too. That's cool. Okay. Oh, boom. All right. All right. Yeah, totally. Ooh, look at that dark theme. It loaded the first time. We got different colors and everything. You know, I don't mind. I see this blue bar is that is no good at all. We can get rid of that blue bar. Again, we're just gonna fix up their code. Okay, so here's a few fun tips. Is they're using defaults here. I don't love that. But if we go into the Android values colors, so there's the accent color there. Okay, so they have a. Yeah, you need to change that pink. In fact, you could just theme that too, which is totally fine. And in fact, you can make this launch screen multicolor background. So watch this. Yeah. Okay. So watch it. You're gonna love this. Okay. So. Okay. Watch it. You're gonna love this. You're gonna love this. So if I go into my Android app, yeah, check this out. If you're interested, Panini, to get started, I was like liked videos and stuff. That's funny. So I'm logged in. Hey everyone, today I'm gonna take you through. You can check out my Xamarin 101 video series right here. Check this out. Boom. And there you go. All right, cool. Check this out. This is gonna blow your mind. Okay, so if you go into the Android app, then you can go into resources and then check this out. You can do values-night. You ready for that? Boom, check this out. Okay, so values-night. Okay, so we're gonna come here, add a new folder, and you have launcher _ background. Add new folder, and then you do values-night. Little known pro tip. Add a new item here. Now, I just, to make it simple in my mind, I would just add just make it a default color. I wouldn't make it white. But that's me. But I'm integrating into your system, not mine. What do I know? And this will be launch. Is that what it is? Launcher background. All right, cool. And then you probably want to change this to probably whatever your primary is. This is also kind of cool too. Watch you're gonna love this. Okay, so okay, this is pretty cool. And then what you could do is something like this, which is, let's look at your colors. You have, what do you have? Where's your, oh, that's interesting. Let's go to a view, about page. Ooh, oh, shell, here it is. So the shell background color is navigation primary light. Okay, so this is what we want. So this is the light. Colors. No. Nope. Right, so we want to go into this one. Oh no, we want to go into this one. That one. Primary dark. And then we want to go into this one. All right, cool. Then we want to go into this one. Is that what I just did? Yeah. All right, cool. Everyone, wow, lots of people chatting. Can't feel pots in the. Yeah, I am going all out. It's happening. You can't stop me. It's awesome. Yeah, let's make the accent color the same as these. That'll just be fun for everybody. Because you can theme them yourself, but you could also do those. Okay. So now we've and also this is wrong. Because you don't really want, here's the thing, is you really don't want that splash screen to be like in your face. You want it to just be a little bit off color, just an F55 color over here, okay? You want that to be there. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that they did it right. So they have a overlaid background light. Okay. Oh, so they have a good coloring. Okay. You probably want to match that, but that's interesting. Okay, cool. No, Kim, I downloaded the app and you missed out earlier. I was showing it off. I was like, whoa, there's an app that does this. It's pretty cool. And then I was immediately disappointed because the light and dark themes, and then you didn't reply to me within 5 seconds on GitHub and didn't tell me that you already implemented it. But now we're doing better, faster, everything awesome. In fact, if you were to go into this, Kim, this is what I named the branch. Better Themes by James, because Kim and Lachlan did the minimal viable implementation. That's the branch name. So get ready for that pull request. Oh, I didn't do it. What happened? Oh, yeah, that makes... What? I did something wrong. Did something wrong? What did I... Oh. You know what? You know, there's a funky thing in the old... In these, look at this. It's like hard-coded. Yeah, there we go. And this one. Okay. All right, that should work. Right? Oh, yeah, and you don't want that. You also want this. Samir! Oh my goodness, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate that. What is this main theme? Where's that coming from? Oh, here it is. App theme, light, dark action bar. So the other thing you can do too is you should be able to come in and change this to... this one? Day, night, I think? Look at the history of this. Oh yeah, day, night. That's what it is. There you go. And let's do that. I have been cycling a lot outside, and I done a lot of Pelotoning and a lot of spin biking. I don't think I've actually necessarily lost weight. I feel better about myself. I feel my clothes a little bit better. So I'm assuming I converted some weight into muscle, or so I hope, at least. We'll see. But I'm keeping it up. It's been a while. Oh yeah, so that's an issue. There. Yeah. Why is that a white background like that? That's not good. Boom, look at that. We did it. Yeah, you should definitely fix that up. I'm not going to fix that one up for you. This is good. This is great. Look at this. Ah, monkey. Cool. So then if we go into here, and then see that actually changes up top now too. Oh, magic, huh? Wow. Wow, James, that's awesome. It is awesome. It is pretty awesome. So that's pretty cool, huh? Okay, so all that work that I did actually doesn't really matter all that much. In fact, what I would really do is, if I were them, here's what I would do. Is I would do, for the splash screen, I'd make it the same as that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. You'll see why. Because it'll be better. Because I think then it'll be cohesive across the top and the bottom of the status bar. You're supposed to have it transparent. You should be watching my video on, there it starts again. Right here on, where's it at? There it is. App icons in moments. It's as if no one pays any attention to me anymore. If you go to any easy app icon, you just give it the thing and it does the thing. Ooh, you know what? We could do it for you. All right, so let's see if they have it. D drive, GitHub, weekly design. Do you have a transparent one in here? Is there a transparent one in here? Nope. Icon, is this transparent? Ah, it's already here. Amazing. Store icon. Boom, look at that. I guess what color do we want it to be in the background? Do you want it to be white in the background? What is it today? That one looks mysterious. So right now today it's this blue, which is definitely not correct at all. I think just white. Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Like that. It's fine. All right, cool. Then you download this thing. Download this thing. It's gonna be awesome. Dynamic icons. Everything is better because I'm fixing your code. Oh my goodness. I love you guys. I love you guys. All right, let's extract that puppy. All right, cool. And then there's instructions here too. We're gonna need the instructions because I don't know what I'm doing. All right, cool. So then we stop debugging and we come into here and we do Android and we do a drag and drop. Yep. Boom. And we drag and drop it into here. Bam. And you say, do it. Yeah, do it all. Bam. Okay, cool. And then you go into here and you say, okay, let me go into application. That's actually all you need to do, which is kind of cool. You go into the application and man, Maui's going to make this so much easier. It's great. Oh, no. All right, cool. Yeah, you paste this in there. Bam. And then you go into your activity and then you delete this thing. Get out of here. Just like that, because it'll use the parent from this guy. Yep. Ooh, and you're also missing a bunch of stuff here too. That's fascinating. You're missing this is an old project that was updated, isn't it? Definitely is. Yeah, you need a bunch. I need all this stuff. You need all this good stuff right here. To the sky. Bam. Cool. You're welcome. Let me just fix our code. Fixing your code. Fixing your code. I love it. Cool. So then we've done it. You did, yeah. Did you? Recently? About a year ago. Yeah. Even some of the boilerplate stuff has changed a little bit. Ooh. Let's go into there's a core here. I guess for the mobile, I'm gonna put the let's see. Oh, let's fix that launch icon too. So while we're at it, let's see what they did. Let's just fix that up. So we go to resources and we go in and we look at what are they doing in a world? Why is there just a Mark GIF in here? What is going on? So splash logo.png. You did not just put it in the drawable folder. Shame. Shame. Okay, so we're gonna go into Android Asset Studio. It exists. We're gonna do a generic icon image. And then, this is what I want? No. Oh, generic icon no. Yeah, I think this is what I want. No? Okay, that is what I want. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So we're gonna do size, download. Oops. Download that. I need to follow y'all's stream probably a little closer, huh? All right. So let's go ahead and do this here. All right, so we got res, we got all the drawables in here. Now we're cooking. Oh, you also put it in the drawable. So here's the problem: is when you put an image inside of the drawable, when you compile, it's going to generate a bunch of every single time. It's going to generate some stuff for you. Maybe it's a problem, but yeah. Okay, cool. So, see how far we've gotten here. We're making it better, Kim. We're making it better, Kim. Okay, build failed. Uh-oh, I broke it. Uh-oh. Invalid parsing overlays. Ruh-roh. What does that mean? What did I do? Clean? That should work. I might be mad because I did something. Right? Splash logo. That's fine. I just made all the colors the same. All right, that seemed to have worked. I think I needed to clean and rebuild, so that was good. Well, the funny thing is, like, the GIF will be embedded in your app. So if this, so here's the fascinating part. So let's say this mark GIF is 2.75 megs. That's going to be embedded into the application. So it's going to bloat the app by nearly 3 megs for no reason. It's just fun fact. And if I don't think it'll create other issues, but it may. Well, I mean, you could at least compress it a little bit. I feel like that's probably you could GIF compress it a little bit, maybe. I'm just saying, it's not. Listen, it's your app. Maybe you should have edition summaries for all of these. I'm just saying. All right, cool. All right, we're cooking. Look at that. Ooh, watch this. Oh, they didn't change. Uh-oh. Oh, these may not work. We may actually want to just color these correctly. That's fascinating. This should have changed, though. It's not gonna matter because we're gonna fix it anyway. We're gonna do it manually anyways. We're gonna fix it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So do we have a settings service? Where's your settings at? Where's your settings? Help. Preferences. There it is. About. Oh, you put it in here. Come on, bro. No, I don't want it here. Man. And Interesting. Eye preferences. Oh man, just overly architected. Come on, just slap some code together. What is this in? Isn't a service? What is this? Eye preferences. Has no implementation. Where is it? Where is it? Where? Helpers, services, contain. Those are shenanigans. Where is it? Where's the implementation? Where's the implementation? Where is it? All right, that's fine. You can dependency inject whatever you want. There's a container instance. What is this? What? Where is it? Where is it? I get it. This is fine. This is less than ideal. It's in a NuGet. What? Oh, I see what we're doing here. I got it. Okay. I see. Oh, also, I don't know if you need the swipe experimental. I think that's done now. I see. At least you got a barrel in there. I see what you did. Okay, cool. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I see now. Okay. You know, I'm just going to end up opening. I see. I see what you did here. You decided to make it complicated. Well, how does it know how to get the implementation? You know what I mean? Like, how does it know? How does it know? I don't want to know. I mean, how do they get their groceries? How do you... Oh my goodness. How do you... Oh, where is it? Oh, you know what I do? I need to look... You register it. What? Wait, what? Okay, here's this. Oh. Xamarin.essentials that implementation. Who owns that? Oh, is that part of the interfaces? It has the implementation too? Interesting. Interesting. That's fantastic. That is absolutely fantastic. How come you, do you not have a editor config in this thing? No editor config. No editor config. They live like... Good God. Animals over here. I don't have an editor config either. Whoops. That's funny. I should have one somewhere, right? Where's my editor config? Man, there should just be like a default editor config. Am I right? Am I right? I'm not gonna put an editor config. That's funny though. This is funny though. Look at what is it? What is it? Use disco. What is it? I don't know why there's a lot of like recommendations. I'm not sure why. What am I doing? Okay, so we have this. What was I doing? Okay, so we have the. Okay, we got it. Okay. There's a few things we need to do. We need, funnily enough, to add a new interface. So I would put that, where's container? That's in the mobile. Yeah. Okay, so if I wanted an interface, where would I put the interface? In here? In core services. Okay, so add new item. And we're gonna add a new interface. Status bar service. All right. Shenanigans. This is all shenanigans. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna go in, and I call mine environment, which is the worst name. Don't call it that, basically, is what I'm saying. This is the one method we need. Boop. Public. All right, cool. And this is gonna, yep, system.drawing. Lucky for us, that's what I need. Okay, and then I actually do need a service in iOS and service in Android. So do you have services here? No, you do not. All right, so we're gonna do a new folder. Add a new folder. Okay, I'm gonna be services. Add a new class. Status bar service. Okay. And then we're going to stop opening the browser, James. And we're gonna come here. I'm gonna go into, because I'm lazy, I put everything right in here. Public. And this is gonna be a oh no. What is that? Uh-huh. What is it doing? Oh. No, that's correct. Okay. What are you complaining about? Fix formatting. All right. What is it? What is it? Oh. Sorry. Hold on. They should be at a method. Yeah. I'm like, what am I doing? I have no idea. Welcome to my world. And then we're gonna implement this puppy. It's been a long week. It's like, why is it this formatting? Perfect. Oh, cool. Fantastic. All right, and then we're gonna do another one over on iOS. Services. Add new item. Status bar service. So we need to be able to because we're going to allow the user to select the color, and it's not going to look at that, it's a lot better already. Weekly Xamarin. So we're gonna allow the user to select to use the default or to select a color. So we need to have the status bar service that is going to enable them to enable us to set that status bar color manually. That's what we're doing here. Time to stand up. I just did stand up, Apple Watch. Okay, we're standing up again. We're moving and shaking. All right, cool. So then what we're gonna do over here on, if I stop opening this page, we're gonna go over to our coffee app. And because I was lazy again in my app delegate, I implemented this. No, I didn't. Did I? Wait a second. Where did I put it? Oh. Uh-oh. Get. Cool. Did I not check in the code? Oh, no. Oh, there it is. All right, we did it. Cool. All right. I'm going to put this here. Boop. Fantastic. And then we're going to use Xamarin Essentials. Using Xamarin.essentials. Boop. There we go. Nothing wrong with that. So, what we need to do here, just write everything in your app delegate. That's what I highly recommend doing. That's what it's for. So this thing here checks to manually set the background color of the status bar, and then it also is going to tint the status bar color as well. So we need to do that. Now, the other thing we need to do is now figure out how to register this thing with our crazy service. How do I have this extent? Can I do this somehow in iOS? Like, how do I get access to this and register it here, huh? Container extension in the iOS app. Oh, snap! Wow, snap! Add singleton. Wow, look at that. How do I do it? Did I stand yet? Come on. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, do this. Okay, perfect. So I status bar service. Status bar service. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. Glorious. Okay, cool. So then, bam. Okay, cool. Then, ooh, this will be great. Maybe. I don't know. What do we do now? You now have an iOS specific service. Welcome. I guess it's here. The question is it, how do you do it on here? You know what I mean? You're so fancy on iOS. There should be an equivalent on Android, but I do not see it. Configure services. Nope, it's definitely not there. Should be, but it's not there. Oh, I see. So it goes into... Okay, so it's not bad, right? So you do this. And on Android, you're going to go in and do... I see. That's cool. Very nice. Very nice. It's like you read my blog post. That's fine. I got to get, you know, this is going to be how .NET MAUI is too. So it's going to have all these things and you can make it all pretty. It's very exciting. It'll be, I'm excited that it's all going to be like in one place. And it's going to be all butter. Okay, cool. We have our status bar stuff. Now we need to do one more thing is we're going to create another service called the iTheme service. Okay. And this will be a public interface. And now the iTheme service is a great service because it does one thing is it comes in and it's going to set the theme. So it's going to have the one method, set theme, void set theme. Just that's it. And that's it. Okay. Remove this. And then what we're going to have here is we're going to have another service. In here, it's going to be add new class theme service. Now, because of their shenanigans and coming in and doing iTheme service, now that I know what they want, there's a few things that I'm going to need going to say public class, or public theme service. And I'm going to take in an I preferences. Oops. And I'm going to take in an I status bar service. Okay. All right. I preferences? Yep. And then we're going to come here. We're going to say I preferences. Whoa, thank you for the host with yourself. Thank you so much. Preferences. Super appreciate that. I don't probably. Cool. Then you got to do this. It's a little bit verbose for me, but you know, I'm living in their world, people. Living in their world. Hey, good to see you, PC nerd. Good to see you. All right, so we got this. So then we're going to implement this theme. Okay, bam. Then, if I would stop opening my browser, it's very simple, actually. This will be pretty great. So we're going to come here. We're going to implement the theme here. Boop. All right, cool. Boop. All right, so there's a few things that we're going to need to do because my code is just a little bit different than their code. But we want to say settings, or no, preference dot get. Now you have a constant somewhere, no? How do I do that? You have this like weird wacky thing, huh? Oh, I see what you do. Oh, so you do this. Okay. Okay. Inside of here. Yeah, that's probably better actually. So let's just do theme. This will be an int. And this will be 0. Oh no. Oh. Great. Okay. Actually, no, I just need this. Theme. Perfect. Now the default theme is gonna be 0, which is user default. So then we can say theme here, and this is great. Because then we do app. This would be app, I guess, location, I guess it really wants. Now, I know you probably don't like that. There you go. And then we're good. Bump, 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 bump. And then here we can do, I guess this will always have a, this would be a actually, and then I don't think we actually need to do any of this stuff here because you actually have a you have a color, so we need to grab the color here. All right, so if it's dark for the status bar color, we're going to use application.resources.current. Yeah, okay, so let's do this. And then if we go into our app shell, what we're trying to find is we want this. Yeah, this one. And then, I don't like that. It's a non-nullable color. I want this to be dark, actually. It's hard to do that. Cool. So what I've done so far is what this code does here is it comes in, and what it's going to do is it's going to allow our users to set the theme. Okay, so the user is able to set the theme here specifically to unspecified, which is use the default, light theme or dark theme based on what's going on here. So if they set it to this, the user app theme is unspecified, so use the system theme, else set it manually over here. And then that will set the requested theme accordingly. So if it's unspecified, it uses the system theme. And then what we do is we set the status bar color and the tinting of it as well. Oh, and we also need to do one more thing, which is we need to go into our, you need to go into your info plist, okay? You're going to open that in a folder. You're going to want to open this in a folder here. And then you're going to open this in VS Code. And then you're going to want to scroll to the bottom, and you're going to want to set this UI view controller based status bar appearance. And you're going to want to set that, basically. And why do I know all this stuff? I don't know. And you're gonna want to get the same thing here, because notice what their splash screen actually on iOS, I didn't show it, but it has a status bar is the wrong color on theirs too. And then github.com/james/app icons. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right, so we've done basically nothing. We have our scaffolding now. We have our scaffolding so we can set colors and do things. We still need to use them, okay? So the next thing we need to do is we need to go into their view model. Their little old view model. Where is that? Oh, it's all the way over here. Ooh, we also need to register that thing. I guess I need to do services.add singleton. theme service. All right, cool. Then we're going to go into their about view model, and we're going to get our private read only for some reason. Why? No one knows why it's private read only, but it is. It's going to give them a hard time. I love it. Here we go. I'll just be consistent, even though messaging service isn't consistent. Okay. So we have this. This is cool. And then we're going to come in and we're going to copy and paste their... Interesting, Lachlan. You're using too many shortcuts. So we're going to add this in here. Bam. And I'll also do this. Oh, that's nice. See how that added a this on there? Ooh, that's nice. Okay, cool. So we have this. All great. We're going to also need to add a... okay, so this is a good question. So I need to add this file, okay? And this file is the font awesome file. Where do you want this? Anywhere? Font awesome. I have it in helpers. But I don't feel like it goes there. Effects? I feel like I could just put it in resources, but I feel like that's wrong. I feel like services is wrong because it's not an implementation of something. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder called helpers. And I'm going to add a new class, and I'm going to call it font awesome. And I'm just going to paste it here. I'm even going to leave the default. Look at this. I'm going to be so late. I'm going to leave the default namespace of font awesome because I think it's better. That's what I'm going to do. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over into this beautiful settings page that I created. All right. And we are going to okay, we're going to copy this resources. See if they have one. Oh, they do. Fantastic. Okay, cool. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to copy and paste this. All right, cool. This should all remain. I'm going to change those colors later. Yeah. Okay. Oh, they have a... Oh, there's a okay, cool. That's good. All right, cool. This is all. We'll probably change these colors at some point. But yeah, cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to integrate into their system here. Okay, so they have a system going on here. If you look at the app, they have a system. Ooh, that is pretty. We probably have helpers. That's a good one. So preferences. So we want to. I think preferences. I think I can jam this in here. Yeah. So let's go into here. We have a grid. Okay, cool. So what we can do is we can come in and grab our grid. Yeah. Okay. And we're just going to shove it in there. Perfect. And, ooh, we're going to need that font awesome font. So look at that. Look at how nice that is. Font awesome equals namespace font awesome. That's nice. All right, cool. So we have our font awesome stuff. And then, and then we are going to, oh man, I really don't want to, I guess I need to figure out how to data bind the, see, I was pretty lazy in my code because that's how I do. And normally what I do here is I just, look at this, it's beautiful. Can't we just do this? No? No, we can't do that. Can we do that? Am I allowed to do that? It's too much MVVM, brah. I just want to write some code. Yeah. I know. I was doing so well. Well, you know, it depends what these radio buttons have. Is checked. I guess you could do an event to command. Okay, I could do this. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go into our view model, and we're gonna create. All right. I think we need to. One is light and two is dark. I think, and then we need to do. Whenever we set this, this is fine. This is better. It's better. Theme equals 1. And then we need to do theme dot set theme. There we go. That'll set the theme. All right, perfect. And then okay, we're getting close. This is happening. So now, because we've made it all MVVMified, because I wasn't lazy, we can go back into our settings page here. And what we should be able to do here is we should be able to say, we can get rid of this stuff now. We should be able to say is checked. Binding to use and there we go. Now we get IntelliSense. See what we did there? Little, and we're X data type, and it's going to be so much faster. Use dark. Data type specified. Just improved the performance by 1000%. You're welcome. All right, cool. Now the other thing we need to do is we need to come into our app. And when this happens, we call on resume. And we need to call all right. And then we can do theme dot set theme. Same thing here. Okay. All right, let's just run it and see if anything that I just copied and did some code. Let's see if it compiles. Let's see. In a world. Uh-oh. Did it work? Oh, no. There's no data template. Oh, no. What is this thing? What is that? Bindable layout. Libraries. What's a library? It's a list of things. Ooh. All right, so this is going to about page. It is a libraries. Link info. Ooh, what's that? Link info. Where do you come from? Where models? Where do you come from? X. And we're gonna data type this too, because you gotta go down the chain. You can also do x:null in here. Basically, it's like, or whatever. You can do that, and then you just wipe it out, and it doesn't matter. No, data type gives you IntelliSense, and it's better. It's faster. It's compiled bindings. Come on. Oh, there's link info. There you go. It's better. It's better for everyone. Oh no. And this, what is this one? This one is about it's the same thing, huh? You got it. If you're gonna go down the security through obscurity, whatever. If you're gonna go down the line of doing all the IOC stuff, you might as well improve those data bindings, especially with that list of hundreds of thousands that aren't even grouped at all by month, like there should be. You're welcome. Hey, use monkey cache. I'm just talking smack. Just talking smack. Hey Kim, did you see this? Check this out. Where's it at? It was right. See that? 5-year award. Wah, 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 wah. Well, Xamarin's got their 5-year award, which is pretty cool. All right, cool. So we go here. Oh no! What did I do wrong? Oh no! Ah! What happened? No! What? Oh, I deleted a grid.row. Grid.column 2. Wait, no, 1. Right? Wait, what? Oh, 2. Oops. One. Hey-oh. Well, that didn't work. Oh. Wait, what did I... What? Oh, no. Wait a second. Oh, this is use system. What am I doing? Okay. Let me reload this. Yeah, it just came in. Just came in, which is pretty cool. All right. Let's see if this did it. Look at that. Look at that great splash screen. Does this work? Ah. Oh, that didn't work. What is, oh. Dark. Theme. Use light. I did something wrong. I did something wrong. What? Let me code review this for you. All right, so I did something wrong because these people wanted so much code. All right, so that's good. All right, so this goes here. Let's see what happens. Set theme, that gets called. Let's go into it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Light. Uh-huh. Oh no. Oh, why is this getting called? Oh no. if value. I'm just gonna do that on one line. How do we? Oh, I can't do it on one line. Oh, I can do this. If true. We were so close. Oh, it definitely does not like that. Okay. If not value, return. We were so close. It was like we were there on an island in the ocean off of Australia, and then we weren't. In a world. Now, I'm also gonna, because I know this is gonna annoy people, is I am going to move this up here, okay? Because I know that that would be rejected in this pull request. I don't know, I gotta check in who? A principal over here. I don't know what Kim is. Kim, are you principal yet? What's your level? The principal Xamarin dev on principal Xamarin dev. So there's a lot of key things here. Like we're setting these status bar colors and things, everything that we want. And there we go. It's gonna be a tough PR review. Except system, light, dark. See what we did here? And see how all of these are change accordingly. Now, you could say, do you think that this should be oh, you use Xamarin. That's what we're using. We're using Xamarin, and you can code right in Visual Studio. Check this out. So you're able to deploy directly to an iOS device from Windows using Xamarin right there. Boom, just plug it right in. That's what we're doing. So, you know, the question we got to ask ourselves is if we think that even in this light mode that this should be white up top, these status bars, you know? And probably, what do we think? Yeah, I think so. So probably what we need to do then is when we go into the set theme, yeah, so what you can do is you can, yeah, right now I'm just doing Android, but you go here on iOS, you're using C# to build beautiful iOS, Android, and Windows apps. And yeah, you just deploy right to iOS. Now you can't deploy directly to the store. You still need a Mac to kind of do stuff there because of licenses and stuff. But yeah, you can just do it right there. Just deploy right to it. I haven't, you know what? Check this out. You can come over. I have a whole, I have a whole thing. I have a whole. Hey everyone, today I'm going to I have a whole playlist. Xamarin 101. Check this out. Boom. This will take you everything you need to know. Look at all these. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what I do in my spare time. It is really hot in this room. These lights are just really coming down. Okay, so let's finish this thing. I'm so done. I'm so happy though that this is going to get pulled in. So here, if we just set this to false on both, then it'll always set the colors correctly. Yeah. So always be just white, because I think the blue is there. Like I usually do the different colors because I have like my dark mode is just completely dark mode, and my light mode is completely light mode on my apps. So I can show you what that looks like actually. Yeah. So this, see, you know, because it'll set it here automatically. So that's good. To that color. Yeah, that looks better. So if I go into, let's say, the coffee app, here it is. Boom. See how I have like, I don't have a splash screen yet, but I have like completely dark colors here. And I don't know if it's going to work or not. Oh, maybe it has a different runtime. That's not running. But yeah, well, you get it. Okay, you get it. Look at that. Huh? We should make these colors the same as well. Okay, so where is the on color? is gonna be navigation bar dark. Okay. I don't know what this looks like though. Lanio, I don't think you're... Oh, I see it. I see it up here. I'm a big fan. I recently taken the plunge to learn Xamarin. I've been following it for years. You've been there from the start. Well, thank you. And I hope I'm there till the end. Awesome. Yeah, let me know how it goes. I'm always around. Just hit me up on the Twitters. Let's see if this worked. You know, my fear sometimes is... Yeah, see that? I don't know how to set the... Is there a... There's a thumb color. You know, and I think my hot I think when I do this stuff up here, I think it breaks my hot reload for some reason. So I'm not positive why. But let's change this thumb color. And I think the thumb color... I'm not positive. Maybe I'll let Kim figure that out. The accents should follow the theme, but they're dynamic colors that I have, and I don't know if it's I don't think it applies it dynamically because I added in here, Kim, you probably didn't see it earlier, but I added a values-night over here. So I can zoom in. See this right here? You can't see it because it's... That's not helpful at all. There it is. Values-night. I don't know if it respects that or not. Yeah, I think the thumb color we want to be this. Not the on color. Not sure though. Yeah, opacity is not recognized. Oh, interesting. Yeah, see, look at this is... And also these colors are wrong. Like this shouldn't be... Probably shouldn't be those colors. In an ideal world, I think I would use probably the same thing. Oops. I just happen to like my app is actually that color. That's why I do it, but what is it's also fascinating. So it's like I don't know why opacity is not found. It's interesting. I don't have to know if that works either. That's a good question. Let's find out. Yeah, I'm back at it, Bill. Back at it. Slow but sure. Mostly slow. Mostly slow. This is all David's code. So if it doesn't work, then I blame David. You know, it's not my fault. David's code doesn't work. I just copy and paste it around. All right, that did not work. Oh, almost. Oh, interesting. I think that the all blue is probably better. So let's back that out. Let's just do that because I think if I go into, let's just do this. This is going to be a little, I know Kim's not going to like it, but sorry, Kim, it's happening. It's happening. Okay, cool. So let's, is that what we wanted? I don't know. Actually, what am I doing? Okay, this one. Let's try it again. Yeah, I think that this one, this visual state, for some reason doesn't, maybe it does pick it up. Oh, I guess I can, yeah, I guess I can. Why didn't I do that? This actually would be the, sorry about that. That actually would be a color that already exists. So it would be this one. So this would be like that. Boom. Yeah, it already exists, so that's good. Boom. Okay, cool. And then this one does seem to work. I don't know why some of those colors don't pull up, but okay. Oh, see, we're closer. You know, oh no. I broke it. Oh no. Ah. No. Oh. Uh-oh. Up, up. Here we go. Up, up. Close. C# easier than Python? Well, C# is part of .NET, and that's the whole advantage of C# is being able to build. And when you go to .NET website, you're able to build anything, right? So web apps, mobile apps, desktop apps, games, anything like that. So you can build anything there. C#, actually, when you go right here, this will give you all the things to get started. No, I think they're not. Check this out. Actually, you want to see something cool? So I just did a session at Microsoft Build, which is our big developer conference, and we did a session. You'll like this especially if you're coming from I gotta find it. I gotta find it now. We just did a session. And what was cool about it is I presented on C# and my good friend Christopher Harrison presented on Python. So we kind of built the same thing side by side, which is quite cool. And the question is, where is it? Oh, I think it's over here. There it is. Copy this. Boom. Here you go. Check this out. So this is a session that we did. And the first 20 minutes or so are on C#, and the next 20 are on Python. It's pretty cool. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so I definitely did something wrong. Oh, you know what? I do think that the setter is incorrect. Interesting. Yeah, see, I don't think that this works for some reason. For some reason, like, it can't find the... I think. Maybe. Let me try that. Right? Checked. Try it again. Yeah, you're welcome. Totally. they're really not that different, surprisingly. There's some syntactical things, but so see, check fill. Oh, fill white. Oh wait, what? Stroke. I did something wrong. Did something wrong. I'm gonna back out all my changes. I'm gonna go back to my here. Okay. So I didn't change anything, but we're just gonna try this again. Solid brush color. I'll let you all figure it out, basically. I thought this would have worked, though. Let me see. I'm not good with brushes. Yeah, see, this works. Look at that. Okay, so if this all works, so look at that. It works. Nope. Okay, so then let me just do this. Let me try this again. So ideally, this, so wherever DF is, okay, so this should work just as is. Oh, you have to use a brush on it. That's probably better. I'll let y'all figure that out later. Because what I want to have happen here is that for it to work. At least with the color, but so this should be cool. Okay, so let's see. Bum, bum, bum. But it's a pretty cool feature, no? Yeah, yeah, no, maybe they don't care. Dark, light, system, it works. I don't know what I did before, but all right. So then if I do this, ooh, oh, that's wrong. Up top. Fascinating. Oh, whoops. Okay, so there's one more thing we need to do. And I apologize because we were so close. Inside of our app here, we need to do one more thing. We do this. We do this in here. We need to make sure that we subscribe for notifications when it starts and stops. See what I'm saying? And then on start calls on resume, so it all magically works. So we do this here. I don't care if you have a main thread service. I'm not using it. I refuse. Mostly because I don't have time to do that. All right, so this would be like theme dot. Perfect. Okay, cool. So let's do it again. Triger says, your Xamarin 101 series is great and got me through my first app build. Whoa, cool. The API, so now I'm getting deeper into the database and API I'm also developing. The API is currently local, so I'm running into issues calling HTTP. Ah, yeah, so we have a whole doc on that. That's not what I want. I think that should be white text, actually. There's probably accessibility. No, we have a call web. No. Yeah, you're going to want... We just rewrote this. You want... this one. Here you go. This will show you everything. It shows you everything, how to do it. Security. detecting, bypass. This is how you bypass local security checks, HTTP, non-HTTP. Yeah. You just need to figure out where to look. It's sometimes a little tricky. All right, so now we're on system, and then we change this. Boom. Oh. Cool, look at that. Wow. That's fantastic. That's amazing. No? Yeah? Nobody cares. All right. Now let's try iOS. I don't even know about Windows. Y'all probably need to test that. I don't know about the dependency injection. It should work. I am checking stuff. But I'm not positive there. How do I do this? That's okay. I'm adding my Apple developer account. All right, trust this computer. I don't know why my Apple developer account wasn't there. I don't know if it's working. It's kind of stuck. There you go. Yeah, dual screen. You can have the back and forth. That'd be pretty cool. All right, looks like it's mad at me. I think something's wrong. I think the broker system's not working. I think I updated to the latest. I thought that was there was a weird bug. I thought it was fixed though. We'll see. See if I can get it working on iOS or not. Bump-a-dump-a-dump. Let's look. Oh, it's there. Okay. For some reason, it must have just not loaded correctly. It's kind of weird, but weird. I gotta go soon. Definitely gotta go soon. Oh, there it is. James's iPhone. That's my iPhone. Right. I need to uninstall the old one. All right. Hot restart. Let's see if it's going to work today for me. My machine's always in a super weird state, so I can never guarantee anything. It says professional. So many changes. I'm gonna see what I changed in this info P list. Kim Philpotts. Ooh, it worked. All right. Yes, I do want to allow it to send me notifications. Ayo. Now, I'm mirroring, so you're not going to see the top bar up there. That's a shame. Ooh, see that back? You can fix that on iOS. I think on iOS you need to set the color. That's so funny. And rest assured, like the top underneath will work. I'm just mirroring. Oh, it adjusts. It actually does adjust. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Cool. I guess on iOS you need to set the. You know, the other thing too that's really gonna bug me here is that they did something that is so upsetting. And it's really gonna bug me, which is that they didn't put a dot. It's Xamarin dot essentials. Xamarin dot forms. Xamarin forms. That was the one thing that they did wrong. Okay, so about page. Yeah. Okay, so I don't on these radio buttons. How did I set that on mine? I feel like this should be light radio button color, dark radio button color. Yeah. I kind of feel like on this, on the switch, I think it's like color. Man, is it background? Icon tint color effect? Is that what we need? Oh, I wonder if it's that. Man, look at that. It's so cool. I wonder if that'll do it. You know what I mean? This is my Intuned device. Sophos, authenticator, all sorts of good stuff. Oh, see also how this is correct? Oh, it's so nice. That did not work. Interesting. Man, I think that it is. I don't know. We can try this out, which is like, okay, so we do like radio button. But then what we can also do is like, if that's the on color, I think that I don't actually know. Maybe it's background color. Background color. Oh, so I have a physical device right here. So I'm using an application called Reflector. I actually have a, check this out. I have a blog. There you go. I have literally one of everything. So what this does, it uses AirPlay to mirror your iOS device. The green is the on color. Yeah, I think you're right as well. So I'm actually, I can't interact with it here, but I can. Yeah, it's really named weird. Oh yeah, yep, there we go. So if I go to here, yeah, that looks good. Yep. Cool. Yeah, because it's the on color and it's the thumb color. Yeah. A little bit weird. Ship it. We shipped it. We did it. All right. Looks good, huh? I think I actually want those to be reverse in a weird way. It's like you want it to have more color definition when it's dark. So you actually want this to be dark. And you want this to be light, I think. All right, one more deploy, and then we're out of here. Then it's the weekend. Talking about the weekend. Hot restarting and reload. All right. Did I do it? No. Oh, nope. I think it doesn't want to. Oh, there it goes. It was still debugging. Boom. 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 Yeah, I think that's... You all can adjust it. 'Cause I think it needs to be lit up. You know what I mean? I don't know. Anyways. Wow. Yep. Awesome. We did it, everybody. Let's ship some code. Yeah, Reflector is a paid app. I also use Visor for Android. Yeah, you can fine tune it. All right, so the only thing we want to do is we want to stop this now. And then we want to go here. We want to copy in Kim's signing cert. I can't edit it. Open with... Ah. I'll also upload this to my YouTube as well. I have a whole video on deep dive and stuff, but this will be a weekly Xamarin newsletter, code review, and theming. Yeah, something like that. James. Let's put Kim back in there. Cool. Then we will ignore all. Going to git changes. We have all this stuff. So much stuff. All right, we did it. Okay, let's commit sync all. Let's go into the Git hubs. It does exactly. Okay, cool. GitHub. Boop. Compare. New themes. Okay. Watch my live stream replay for more info. Huh? How's that? Cool, we did it. All right, thanks everyone for tuning in. Super appreciate it. What a great stream. Hope everyone has a great weekend. I'll catch you maybe next week, maybe not. Who knows? We'll see what happens in this life. I'm gonna stop doing that. Cool. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the new follows. Check my YouTube out for all the replays. You can also check out my newsletter, newsletter.montemagno.com. I have a new episode tomorrow, so definitely check that out. I got to write it tonight, so that'd be quite fun. I like to write it up and go out at 6 a.m. So have a great weekend. Super appreciate it, and I'll check y'all later. Bye-bye.